Hello everyone, I am Pranav Kulkarni and UG student of IIT Kharagpur. Today I am with this beautiful accessory. It is a pyramidal shape mobile stand. You can use it for video conferencing as a camera holder, means holding mobile for shooting and watching movies. So let's start step by step how you can design this model on FreeCAD software and finally creation of G code by using which you can print it through any 3D printer. So first I have made this sketch in the XY plane. It is a equilateral triangle of side 150 mm. Then use pad option to form the space of height 10 mm. The similar triangular sketches I have made, this one and this one, and then I used edit to load option to create this pyramid. Then I use part option to get a cylinder of height 110 mm, and then I use boolean operation to cut out this cylinder from this pyramid. Then I use part option to get this cuboid at this side. Then use array option in polar form to get this cuboid on other sides also. Then I use part option to create this cylinder at this side, and then use array option in orthogonal form to form cylinders, uh, these 5 cylinders, and then I use also array option in polar form to create this set of cylinders on other sides also. And then I smoothen these edges using fillet option here and chamfer option here. At last, to create a surface for a 3D printer, I have used mesh design option. From here, mesh design option, go to meshes, create mesh from shape, select shape, and keep fineness as fine. I have done this, and these are my mesh. This is how I meshed my object, and then go to file after selecting your object and click on the export in order to create a STL mesh file like this. Then opening this file using Ultimaker Cura Software, which is an open source software. You will be here, then go to preview option, select your object, say lay flat. This is because the surface should be parallel to 3D printer plate. Then go to printing settings. Instead of recommended setting, use custom setting and change this custom setting. But first, change infill density according to your choice. I have kept it at 12.5%. Then printing temperature at 200 degrees Celsius, build plate temperature at 80 degrees Celsius, then printer speed at 16 mm per second, and this build addition type as brief. After selecting it, go to slice option. Then the Ultimaker Cura software will estimate required time for this printing. It is showing 4 hours and 70 gram of material required. This is why I have kept this infill density as 12.5% in order to make this object in low cost as well as less requirement of time and material. So 3D printer will print this object like this in 600 steps. First step is creating beam, then step by step it will create like this. This is fast forward version how it will be print the 75th layer. This is how, and similar it will create 600 layers. Then go to save file option in order to create a G code. Store your G code in SD card, insert SD card in your 3D printer, and you will able to print this object using 3D printer. Before designing this, I have made these measurements in order to select the length and in order to select the dimensions of objects. So thank you.